The moment of truth. Wow! This totally works. Hey, so I was doom scrolling the other day and there was this trick about cleaning your rugs. So you see this rug? I've been trying to sweep it and it's like impossible to get it clean. So what I'm gonna do is take this toilet brush, connect it to a drill, and clean it. Let's see if this trick works. So you can take this toilet brush and just insert it into the chuck. My drill goes in there quite smooth. So I got this toilet brush at the 99-cent store, which is closing in a few days. So, but you can always find them cheap somewhere else like Target. So that's it. Let me plug this in. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see if it gets into this. Wow! This totally works. Wow, this totally works. That's crazy. Maybe shaking it off works too. But yeah, for real, to get that stubborn grass off, this is a good way to get rid of that stubborn grass. It's nice. Wow.
Guess it worked, huh?
That works. That's a really good cleaning tool. I was very surprised by this.
This is what you do with the other side of the brush. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.